Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to dynamically block a contact in chatbot conversation in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Please take a look at this flow. For this example, I will ask if the user is interested in our upcoming audition. If the user is not interested, I will reply a thank you message and block the user. Take a look, the contact has been blocked. There you have it, you just learned how to dynamically block a contact. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.